Nancy there, Treasure Hunt, and welcome back to the channel. There's the light. So, I am with Mtn Grandma and Yogi Hollow Farm for Christmas candy. And I've never made it before. Casey from Osby Farms made it. It's called Christmas Crack, but yeah, that's kind of a funny name. I'm doing ours a little different because we are dairy free, and some things we can have, some things we can't have. And so I'm going to show you our version with the dairy free chocolate. So this is, Nestle comes out with a allergy free friendly chocolate. It's got no dairy, and it says it's no peanuts, no soy, no tree nuts, no fish, no eggs, no milk, no wheat, no shellfish, and no sesame. So there we go. So that's what we're doing with that. Now I'm gonna make my own caramel. So, and I almost want to talk about that for a minute. So, everybody says it differently, but what I've learned, if you look in the Bible, Mount Carmel, Carmel, caramel. Caramel is Caramel, caramel. So, you know, I know we get stuck on spelling and when things are said or anything, but I just thought that was interesting how, you know, we call caramel caramel, and it's like, those are spelled two different ways. I just thought I'd throw that tidbit in, because it's pretty fun, you know? So, I don't know what's going on with my light on my phone. You know, it goes in and out, so I hope it's not too dark. So, what I did, it's a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of butter, but I'm using coconut instead. I'm going to use unrefined coconut oil because I want to try it out. And then we're going to melt the chocolate here in a little bit, and then you have a teaspoon of vanilla. But first, we are going to melt this so that I can show y'all how this is made my way. So I'm going to just stir this together. So I am using brown sugar instead of the white sugar. And then as it comes together, we'll coat this right here. And I'll bake it for a few minutes. And then some people don't, some people do. And while other things, we've got some candy canes that we can put on there. And then we have some powdered sugar. So some are kind of prepared and not prepared at the same time. You know how that goes? I'm always doing that. Alright, so I want to keep stirring this so that it doesn't, you know, burn the bottom of the pan. Because I gotta use this pan to make something else. And that'll be in another video. So, this is getting there. So, I'll use this up so that we just do it like that. Alright, it's starting to melt pretty good. I'll turn that light down. And you know, we gotta keep stirring so that things don't burn and stuff. So, this is one whole pack of saltine crackers that's here. So, as this starts to melt and get all that good stuff off the spoon, and we get the coconut to melt and everything, we can stick the chocolate in for, oh, we'll do like, you know what? I know what I'll do. Instead of doing it that way, we'll do it a different way. We'll get this melted, get the caramel melted. I'm going to add a little bit of milk because I want to see how it does. Because some don't put milk, some do put milk. together. You see that made it more liquidy than I wanted it to be. Alright, so let's let that cook for a few minutes because I'm going to pour it over here. Then we're going to put the chocolate chips on there. Then we'll stick it in the oven and let the chocolate melt. So if I need to, I don't know. Now I'm wondering if my powdered coconut milk, there's gonna be a lot of coconut in this. Well, that's about a tablespoon. I've been using that a lot and so many different things. I put it in my coffee and everything. Alright, this is starting to come together. There we go. Because I wanted a thick sauce, not a runny sauce. So I don't know if I add a little bit more sugar to it, will that thicken it up? And I need to order some of those small, I don't think funnel, but not funnel, strainers. But sometimes you need more than just one. Because I've already used the one, and that's got all my fire cider on it, so I can't use that to sift any of the powders. Alright, so if you add milk to it, let me tell you, it's going to be a runny sauce. It's not a thick sauce. Let me get a whisk and my little fun spatula. The little spatula, you know. Alright, so this is coming to a boil. You keep stirring. Oh, there you go. It's working now. Get this all stirred up. And let it boil for a minute or so. That's like making the candy at Christmas time. Remember all that? And then you put the marshmallows in it. And you turn it off and let it cool. Then it starts to set up. Alright, so, whoops, we're going to let this cool for a few minutes. The oven's getting ready to go off. But what I'm going to do, we're going to sit there and pour this over it. And then I'll put the chocolate chips on. So I'm going to let this cool and I'll bring it back. Okay, so I let it cool down some, but I figure since it's going to go in the oven, it's going to melt again. So woo! Alright. We're going to, oh yeah, see that's setting up really good. Alright, so we're just going to drizzle some over each and every one. Spatula here. Get the rest of it out. Like I said, since I knew that was going to happen, it was going to like go to the bottom, but that's okay. The bottom's going to be covered. So then we're going to add our chocolate chips. Top. And I've seen hundreds of videos about how to do this, and I figured, you know, kind of like wing it a little bit. Just to see how I'm going to do this. And don't forget a couple of chocolate chips for the chef. And then I'm going to put this in for like a couple minutes. Because I just want the chocolate to melt. So, let's do see here. Well, I'll do a minute. I'm going to start. So, the hammer is upstairs. So I took the jar of brown sugar and crushed some of a candy cane. And we're going to see how that works. So I've got the powdered sugar over there. But we also have the swerve, powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, whatever way they want to call it. So we're going to try this too. Because I know, I don't think anybody else in the family will try this. And I was like, you know, try new and fun things. You just never know what you might like. Just about. You just want it to melt. Alright, let's see how this comes out. Just want one of these. So if the chocolate is melted correctly, like I would like it to be, yeah, all you gotta do is smooth it out. Alrighty. I'm going to try to get every cracker to have some chocolate on it. And smooth it out everywhere. So the caramel will be on the bottom. Your chocolate is going to be on the top. This looks good just like it is. And some people put nuts on theirs. Alrighty. Now, you know, you're tempted to lick the spoon and everything, and it's still hot. So I'm going to take some of the candy cane. We're going to sprinkle on some of them. Because not everybody in the house likes candy canes. But that's okay. Alright. And I'll use the regular powdered sugar. Just so we can show you. And then, you know, like I said, I need that's gonna be a lot. It snowed, it snowed, it snowed. How about that? It just snowed on that. And this sets up really fast. So you got some with the candy cane, some with the powdered sugar. And you know, you've taken your strainer, you just tap it over and everything. And then I'm just going to leave some plain, because some people might just want some chocolate. So there we go. That is our Christmas candy collab with Mtn Grandma and Yo-Yo Hollow Farm. The list will be down below about all the cooked candy that's been made this year so far. and everything. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this. And I'm not letting this sit. I want to try a taste. Oh my goodness. Got definitely that. That is definitely worth it. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being here. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.